welcome to another episode. Today we're going to do some delicious chocolate chip cookies. So to start, we will start off with 3/4 cups of butter flavored shortening. To that we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, a teaspoon of, I'm sorry, let me start that again, 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And we're going to mix that together on medium speed. Get it all, that shortening blended in with that brown sugar. Mix that all up. Okay, to this mixture we're going to add 1 egg. We're going to beat it in.
That is looking good.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to mix that all together. Flowers are flying, isn't it, honey?
Yep, it's flying.
I need to kind of scrape it down a little bit. Okay, now then we're going to take and mix that together.
Look at that.
Yeah, get that flour mixed in a little bit better by hand here. Good old cookie dough.
That looks tasty.
Yeah, good old cookie dough is good to eat.
Yeah.
Okay, to this we're going to add 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. And I've ground up some pecans. I got about 1/2 cup of real fine pecans to put in it. The pecans is optional, but it sure does give it a little bit better flavor.
Yeah.
So we're going to mix that all up. Lots of chocolate chips to melt.
Yeah.
I like to get my hands down in there and kind of mix it up a little bit better. Get those chocolate chips on the end there.
Yeah, in order to make good cooking, you have to get your hands dirty.
Yeah, sometimes you do. I always get my hands down and stuff. They're good and clean. I've washed them and washed them and washed them, so they're clean. Okay, the chocolate chips are pretty much mixed in. So now then what we're going to do is we're going to take I'm going to do I've got parchment paper here. I'm going to take like a tablespoon of the dough and just drop it on the parchment paper.
Now, how many cookies do you think this will make?
It'll make a couple of dozen.
Mm.
Yeah, a couple of dozen.
There's nothing like eating a hot cookie with some milk or some hot cocoa.
Yeah, or even a cup of coffee. I like my coffee with my cookies. Also, this will make about 2 dozen. And what we'll do, we'll put it in the oven. The oven's already preheated at 375, and I'll cook them because we like them chewy, so I'll cook them for about 10 minutes. Now, if you like them a little bit crispier, then you could do it for 13 minutes. So we'll put these in, and we'll be back in just a minute to show you the finished product. Okay, we're going in for the finished product. Take them out of the oven and cook them for 10 minutes. Okay, there we go. Put them over here to cool, and then they'll be ready to have with a good old cold glass of milk or a cup of coffee or something. That's our chocolate chip cookies for the day. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in a few days. Have a good evening. Bye.